Stirling Castle rises from a volcanic rock, high above river and plain, where the Highlands meet the Lowlands. For centuries, this was the heart of Scotland. Not just a stronghold, but a key. Whoever held Stirling, held the country. Long before stone walls and royal banners, this hill was already powerful. The land below was once marshland, river crossings, the only easy route between north and south. Armies passed here. Traders passed here. And where people pass, history gathers. In 1314, the quiet fields below the castle became the stage for one of Scotland's defining moments. At Bannockburn, Robert the Bruce faced a larger, better-equipped English army. Against expectation, Scotland won. The victory echoed across Europe and turned Stirling into a symbol of freedom and defiance. But Stirling Castle was more than war. It was also a royal home. In 1543, Mary, Queen of Scots, was baptized here. She was only an infant, yet the celebration was grand beyond measure. French wine flowed, music filled the halls, and nobles from across Europe watched closely. Even then, Mary was a political prize. A queen shaped by forces far beyond her control. She would later return here as a young woman, moving through these rooms, looking out from these walls, unaware of the tragic path that lay ahead. With royalty came danger. Stirling Castle was besieged more than almost any other castle in Scotland. Cannons once thundered against its walls. Fires swept through its chambers. Each time, the castle burned. And each time, it was rebuilt. And perhaps that is why the past feels so close here. Legend speaks of the Green Lady, a loyal servant to Mary, Queen of Scots. When fire broke out in the castle one night, she ran through smoke and flame to warn the young queen. Mary survived. The servant did not. Today, visitors and soldiers alike claim to see a green figure moving silently through doorways, standing on staircases, or vanishing into stone walls. A guardian who never left her post. Others speak of sounds. Footsteps in empty corridors. Drums beating with no hands to strike them. Whispers where no one stands. For centuries, Stirling Castle was also a military barracks. Generations of soldiers lived here, trained here, and died here. Some say not all of them marched away. Stand on the battlements and look out. The land seems peaceful now. Fields, rivers, distant hills. But the ground remembers. It remembers banners, armor, fear, and hope.